The letter R, the letter H, justflyit.com. Online. Sponsors on this national tour. Reactor Watch. Best built sports watch series. Champion Aerospace. Sky Dynamics. And Flight Whirlwind Propellers. Holy Arrow. Sunglasses. Facebook page. Facebook.com/Ultimate Airshows. Yeah. Rob has never known a time where he was not completely obsessed with aviation and aerobatics. At a young age, his dad brought him to an air show where he saw an airplane flying upside down and knew that's what he had to do. Rob has been flying over 172 different types of aircraft, ranging from Piper Cubs to regional transport airplanes, gliders to high-performance aerobatic machines. Rob graduated from Daniel Webster College with a Bachelor of Science degree in Aviation Management and a Bachelor of Science degree in Aviation Flight Operations. He's an airline transport rated, that's ATP rating, with a certified flight and ground instructor, CFI, CFII, IGI, and AGI rating, and also holds a glider rating. Rob has had a diverse aviation career so far: flight instructor, banner tow pilot, aircraft ferry pilot, Pilatus PC-12 corporate pilot, and commuter airline pilot. He currently works full-time both domestically and abroad as a professional air show pilot and an aerobatic flight instructor. Rob Holland, phenomenal young man. The airplane is also equally as phenomenal. The MXS-RH is custom built, 385 horsepower, built in America. The MXRH is stretched with G-load of plus and minus 16 Gs. They can roll at an astronomical 500 degrees per second with aileron deflection. Constructed entirely of pre-impregnated epoxy carbon fiber composite material that is of the highest grade. The aerobatic weight with fuel and smoke oil is 1,560 pounds, 385 horsepower, stall speed of only 50 knots. It's about 65 miles per hour.